Lucrative Freelance Writing, tapping into writing opportunities for profit. Welcome to Income Ideas Insiders, where we delve into the world of freelance writing and reveal insider strategies for maximizing your profit potential. Freelance writing offers a plethora of opportunities for individuals seeking to earn a lucrative income from their writing skills. With the rise of digital media and a demand for quality content, the freelance writing market has expanded exponentially. However, navigating this vast landscape can be daunting for newcomers. In this guide, we'll explore 10 key strategies to tap into writing opportunities and maximize your profit potential as a freelance writer. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Number 10. Identify niche markets. One of the most effective ways to boost your earning potential as a freelance writer is to specialize in niche markets. Rather than attempting to cater to a broad audience, focus on specific industries or topics where there is a high demand for content. Research emerging trends and identify niche markets that align with your interests and expertise. By positioning yourself as an expert in a particular niche, you can command higher rates and attract clients who are willing to pay for your specialized knowledge and skills. Number 9. Build a strong portfolio. A compelling portfolio is essential for showcasing your writing abilities and attracting potential clients. Create a professional website or online portfolio where you can showcase samples of your work, testimonials from satisfied clients, and details about your services. Tailor your portfolio to highlight your expertise in your chosen niche markets and regularly update it with new samples and testimonials to demonstrate your ongoing growth and success as a freelance writer. Number 8. Cultivate relationships with clients. Building strong relationships with clients is crucial for long-term success as a freelance writer. Communicate effectively, meet deadlines consistently, and deliver high-quality work that exceeds your clients' expectations. By establishing trust and rapport with your clients, you can secure repeat business and referrals, which can significantly boost your income over time. Number 7. Leverage social media and networking. Social media platforms and professional networking sites can be powerful tools for connecting with potential clients and marketing your freelance writing services. Build a strong presence on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook, and actively engage with your target audience by sharing valuable content, participating in industry discussions, and networking with other professionals in your field. By leveraging social media and networking effectively, you can expand your reach and attract new clients to your freelance writing business. Number 6. Diversify your income streams. To maximize your profit potential as a freelance writer, consider diversifying your income streams beyond traditional client work. Explore opportunities to monetize your writing skills through avenues such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, online courses, and self-publishing. By diversifying your income streams, you can create multiple revenue streams that provide stability and resilience in an ever-changing freelance writing market. Number 5. Invest in continuing education. The freelance writing industry is constantly evolving, with new trends, technologies, and best practices emerging regularly. To stay ahead of the curve and maintain your competitive edge, invest in continuing education and professional development opportunities. Attend writing workshops, enroll in online courses, and seek out mentorship and coaching from experienced writers in your niche. By continuously honing your skills and expanding your knowledge base, you can position yourself as a top-tier freelance writer and command higher rates for your services. Number 4. Streamline your workflow. Time is money in the world of freelance writing, so it's essential to streamline your workflow and maximize your productivity. Invest in tools and software that can help you manage your projects more efficiently, such as project management software, time tracking apps, and grammar checking tools. Establish a clear process for handling client communications, project timelines, and revisions to ensure that you can deliver high-quality work on time and within budget consistently. Number 3. Set clear goals and metrics. To achieve long-term success as a freelance writer, it's essential to set clear goals and metrics to measure your progress and performance. Define specific achievable goals for your freelance writing business, such as earning targets, client acquisition goals, or project milestones. Track your progress regularly and adjust your strategies as needed to stay on course toward achieving your objectives. By setting clear goals and metrics, you can stay focused, motivated, and accountable as you work toward building a profitable freelance writing career. Number 2. Prioritize self-care and work-life balance. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is essential for sustaining long-term success and avoiding burnout as a freelance writer. Prioritize self-care activities such as exercise, relaxation, and leisure time to recharge your batteries and prevent overwhelm. Set boundaries around your work hours and client interactions to ensure that you have time for personal pursuits and relationships outside of your freelance writing business. By prioritizing self-care and work-life balance, you can sustain your productivity, creativity, and well-being over the long term. Number 1. Stay flexible and adapt to change. The freelance writing landscape is dynamic and constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay flexible and adapt to change to thrive in this industry. Keep an open mind and be willing to embrace new opportunities, technologies, and business models as they emerge. Continuously monitor industry trends and market developments, and be prepared to pivot your strategies and offerings to align with evolving client needs and preferences. By staying flexible and adaptable, you can position yourself for long-term success and profitability as a freelance writer in a rapidly changing marketplace. Conclusion: freelance writing offers endless opportunities for individuals to earn a lucrative income doing what they love. By following these 10 strategies for tapping into writing opportunities and maximizing your profit potential, you can build a successful and sustainable freelance writing business that provides financial freedom, creative fulfillment, and professional satisfaction. With dedication, perseverance, and a strategic approach, you can turn your passion for writing into a thriving freelance career that offers endless possibilities for growth and success. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.